Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from the United States. What's inside? Let's find out. So recently I did an unboxing of some new Maruchan varieties. Well, there is another variety that wasn't in that box that's in this box, and it's not a yakisoba, it's something completely different. These are Funyuns that also taste like hot and spicy Maruchan instant lunch. Pretty weird. It came with a card that says, "Hey snack lover, get ready to meet your new favorite fiery snack. Funyuns and beloved ramen brand Maruchan have come together for the first time to create an unexpected, limited edition flavor mashup. Funyuns and Maruchan hot and spicy chicken ramen onion flavored rings. This unique flavor-packed collab is sure to get your taste buds in a spicy mood. Enjoy." And then at the bottom it says, if you decide to share this on social, please note this is a gift from Funyuns, and don't forget to tag official Funyuns. So we've got this big bag, and actually this isn't the only size bag that's around right now. It comes in two sizes, a larger size and a smaller size, and I figured I'd crack open the smaller size and let you know what I think about it. So here's the bag. It's a smaller bag, and I've been seeing it more often lately. I found this one at a 7-Eleven shop a little bit from here, and I have not seen the larger bag, but here's what they look like. They indeed look like Funyuns. They're a little, I don't know, are they more fun? They look pretty good, like you would eat one and it would be crunchy. Onion flavored, so let's give it a try. My thoughts on these, they taste like Funyuns, but there's just a little bit of heat and a little bit of like chicken instant noodle seasoning with them. They are definitely not as hot and spicy as the Flamin' Hot Funyuns, and I haven't tried I think there's like a queso cheese Funyun now too. I've never honestly been a huge fan of Funyuns, but if you are, I think you would probably like these and find them to be a little bit different. Especially if you like a little bit of heat, it's not gonna, beat you up and throw you down the street. But yeah, pretty cool. Definitely a unique mashup. It's not too often I find an instant noodle and snack food mashup. I have before, but and I've found this, and maybe we'll try a new one again at some other point. Well, thank you very much to the people over at Funyuns and Maruchan for sending this over. This is cool, it's something different, and different is good and unique and fun, as in Funyuns. Anyway, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.